Rough diamonds are natural stones that have not yet been cut or polished. While professional testing is always the most accurate method, there are a few easy checks you can do at home to get a basic idea of whether a rough stone might be a real diamond. These methods are simple and do not require special tools. 1. Visual inspection. A real rough diamond usually has sharp edges and a natural, uneven shape. It often looks greasy or oily rather than shiny. Most rough diamonds are not perfectly clear and may contain small inclusions or cloudy areas. If the stone looks too smooth, rounded, or glass-like, it may not be a diamond. TARP 2, transparency test. Place the stone over a piece of paper with text on it. Real diamonds bend light strongly, so you should not be able to clearly see the letters through the stone. If you can read the text easily, the stone is likely not a diamond. 3. Scratch test. Use with care. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. Try scratching a piece of glass lightly with the stone. If it leaves a clear scratch, it may be a diamond. However, this test should be done carefully as it can damage both the glass and the stone, and some non-diamond materials can also scratch glass. 4. Water test. Fill a glass with water and drop the stone into it. Real diamonds are very dense, so they will sink quickly to the bottom. If the stone floats or sinks slowly, it is probably not a diamond. 5. Fog test. Hold the stone between your fingers and breathe on it, just like fogging a mirror. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog should disappear almost immediately. If the fog stays for a few seconds, the stone is likely not a real diamond. Conclusion. These home tests can help you make a basic judgment, but they are not 100% reliable. The best way to confirm whether a rough stone is a real diamond is to have it tested by a professional gemologist using specialized equipment.